Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Realme C31. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here we want to write Microsoft Edge. And hit the search button. Now click on this app and press install. After installation process is complete, we can open the app and start customizing it. Here you can add any account to sync in other devices using the Microsoft Edge browser. I'm not gonna do that, sign in later. From here you can allow or not to help improve the Microsoft Edge browser. So I'm not gonna select that and press confirm. From here choose to select the Microsoft Edge browser as your default browser, and let's do it. Here go to for Edge and press always. And the browser is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.